Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making air fryer pork chops. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. You will need 1 pound of bone-in pork chops, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. To a small bowl, add your black pepper and salt. Now add the Italian seasoning and paprika. Add the onion powder and garlic powder, then mix until well combined. Make sure your pork chops have been thoroughly dried, then generously brush with your olive oil. Now generously season with your seasoning mixture. Repeat these steps on the other side. If you would like a printable version of this recipe, make sure to visit my blog at soulfoodcooking101.com. The link is in the description below. Place your pork chops in your preheated air fryer, then allow them to cook for 13 minutes or until they have an internal temperature of 145 degrees. These pork chops are flavorful, tender, and juicy and make for a great weeknight meal. I hope you give them a try. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.